Hello everyone. If you're a student of University of Cape Coast and you are struggling to access your UCC e-learning platform, then this video is exactly for you. Whether you are a fresher trying to log in for your first time, a continuing student who can't access course materials, or a distance or sandwich student preparing for online lectures, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through how to access your e-learning platform of UCC step by step, show you the correct credentials to use, and explain what to do if the platform doesn't open or you forget your password. Before we start, if this is your first time visiting UCC News Hub, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss important campus guides, academic tutorial, and student updates. Now, without wasting time, let's get straight into how to access your UCC e-learning platform. First of all, you search with any browser of your choice, UCC e-learning. After searching, you get a lot of links. Before we sign in, you have to check the URL you are using to sign in. So this is the correct URL that will enable you to visit the site. That's the elearning.ucc.edu.gh.login. So we will click on this one to visit the home page. After visiting the home page, we will have to sign in with our credentials. So we will click on this My UCC account here to sign in. We will talk about the authenticate.ucc.edu later. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's continue by clicking on My UCC, which will take us to this login page for us to sign in with our credentials. So we will enter our student ID and also our password here. You can check this to remember your sign-in details, or you can leave it unchecked. Then click on the sign in. After signing in like this, you have to allow or authorize the site so that they can access your ID token and basic Open ID Connect authentication, and also access your basic profile information, right? Family given name and everything, and your email and your verified email. So I'll go on and authorize this request. After authorizing the request, this will bring you to the home page of the e-learning platform. On your next sign-in, you might not be required to enter your credentials again because the site uses some cookies that allow you to save some of your information or data. Hence, you do not have to sign in each time you visit the page. In our next video, we are going to explain how the e-learning platform works. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more videos. This brings us to the end of how to access your e-learning platform. You can log out by selecting log out to log you out of the system. Thank you for watching.